Celebrating the holidays may look a little different this year, but the true meaning of the season lives on. At OrientalTrading.com, we believe a different kind of season is just the kind of season we need. Holiday magic is everywhere. Just look around and you'll discover it. This is the year to go all out on outdoor Christmas decorations to spread holiday cheer. Spending time together over the holidays is always special. Whether it's relaxing by the fire or decorating together, make it special with those you love. We don't need a house full of people to feel the love of the holidays. Sometimes the most special holiday moments happen right in your living room with your family. Love is a big part of the holiday season, even if it's from afar. As we say good riddance to 2020 and welcome 2021, we will celebrate with the people we care about. Happy holidays from your friends at Oriental Trading.